Hi everyone. So hopefully everyone is getting really excited about your book writing project. So the first thing you guys need to do is you need to be able to save the book template in a place where only you and your group members can edit it. Okay. So the best thing for you to do is to choose one person in your group to follow the steps that I'm just about to show you. Okay. So first thing is open the Word document here. So if you click on the Word document that's here, then it'll open on your desktop. Okay, so my Word document has opened up here now. And it's kind of opened up small and there's kind of funny stuff going on here on the template. But don't worry too much about that just yet. I'll walk you through that stuff later on. First thing you need to do is save it to your own desktop. Okay, so click on File and click on Save As. And I'm just going to save it to my desktop. Okay, so I'll click on my desktop here. I'll put it into year 7 and it's right there. So I click save and that'll save to my own desktop. As you can see, I've already done it. So I'm just going to say replace existing file. It doesn't really make a difference. Okay, so that's saved on my own desktop. I'm just going to get rid of it off of my screen there now, off the desktop. And now I'm going to come to my own OneDrive account. Okay, so I'm sure everyone knows where to get their OneDrive, but just in case you don't, if you go into your emails on the web, you've got the little 9 dots up here where you've got Teams and OneNote and all that kind of stuff. One of them is your OneDrive account. So if you click on your OneDrive account, then that will bring you to your file section. And I've got a folder here for year 7, and I've got a folder here for this module, which is at the zoo. And right now I'm going to upload that Word document into the at the zoo folder. So to do that, I'm just going to click Upload, Files, and then I'm just going to find the book writing template, and I'm going to put that up there. So my book writing template has now been uploaded into my OneDrive account in the folder that I want it to be in. So that's exactly where I want it. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on that little share arrow, and it's going to open up this little thing here. And it's at this point now that I just make sure that I know everyone's name and email address, just in case, of the people who are in my group. Okay. So if I want to share this with, say, for example, Mr. Pinnock, then I would just type in his name, and his name would pop up. And if I wanted to share it with Samina Qureshi, then her name would pop up. And so basically you just do this for everyone who's in your group, but don't forget to add in your teacher's name as well. Okay, at least that way your teacher will have access to the shared files on OneDrive. Okay, and that's it. You send it out, and up here it says people you specify can edit. Okay, so if you wanted to change that link, you could change that up here, but it's coming up default that the people who you specify are in this, they can edit. So once you've done that, you just click send, and that's it. You're done. Okay, everyone should be able to edit at that stage. Okay, best of luck.